TE Connectivity has created the 0.5mm pitch free height connectors, a two-piece field connector designed for stacking board-to-board applications. These connectors feature stacking heights from 5 to 8mm to minimize space usage, making them ideal for high-density applications such as consumer electronics, industrial applications, as well as automotive and telecommunications. There are between 220 and 440 positions available, providing a wide array of data buses for high-speed communication interfaces. Compatible with standard pick-and-places and available with UL and RoHS compliant parts, these connectors would integrate well with any commercial product.